Good afternoon. I'm Savitri Dias and I will be talking to you on English phonetics and phonology, topic 5 on intonation. As you can see, the learning outcomes are described here. It explains the concept of prosody and the intonation patterns in English and differentiate on 5 intonation patterns. And we will be talking of the suprasegmental intonation. And we also know that we will be talking of pitch and variation in speech. What is English prosody? The length in utterance, the relative duration, and the duration of given syllables. And these are what you have to talk about when you talk of the intonation. We talk of pitch and the varying heights of pitch, which is important. And the variation in pitch, length, and loudness contributes to the notion of prosody, and which we call melody, and also what we call intonation. And this is intonation has been variably defined as the variation in pitch, and we talk of the units of analysis with the tone group. That is important. And also intonation to a large extent depends on the discourse functions and the speaker's message. And also what is important is the tonic syllable. A tonic syllable, being the most prominent syllable, also carries the tonic stress. So now if you see this, there are 4 syllables in the first utterance, and the second one there is only one. And how do you say it? You say, "Are you Yusuf?" And the second speaker says one, "Yes." So Yusuf is the tonic syllable, and the ringing intonation is rising intonation is used. Since there is only one syllable in the second utterance, that syllable will have to be the tonic syllable. And the segment "are you" does not receive any stress, and that is called the pre-head. So can you compare this utterance with the following one? You say, "Are you Yusuf?" And in the second one, "Go home now." So this utterance, word "go" is stressed before the tonic syllable "now." So there are 5 patterns of English intonation, and these are fall, rise, rise, fall, and level. Look at this one. In this, the falling intonation contour is the most neutral of all the intonations. So here we say, "John is a teacher." If we say something affirmatively or declaratively or state the proposition, we will most probably be using a falling intonation. The rising intonation is most often used when we ask a question. For example, "What is your name?" And also here we will say rise and fall, or fall and rise. Or if you say "You are hungry," and also you say "You are hungry," so that you can see the difference. Then for a fall rise can occur single syllables or stretches across several. Now here you say, in the following example, the fall rise tone could be realized only by words "yes" as in A, or it could stretch out across the entire stretch. For example, we say, "Yes, I am." How do you say it? "Yes, I am, but." Or you can say, "Yes, I am, but." Then it's the same. And then we have a rise fall intonation, where you say rise fall could be realized only by word "yes," or it could stretch out across the entire stretch. It says as "Yes, I am for sure." Or you say, "I am, yes, I am for sure." And then we have the level intonation. So there, it's generally an unnatural tone in English conversation, and the tone sound is robotic and artificial. For example, if you say, "I am a robot," so there is no rise or fall. And the summary is, prosody consists of 3 elements: loudness, length, and pitch. Prosody creates a kind of melody effect to the language. Intonation also adds to the melody of a language, and utterance may be spoken with different intonation patterns. These patterns, as the fall, rise, fall, rise, are forms of intonation. Thank you.